Dear students, the topic is going on differentiation. Today, day 25. Until yesterday, we have discussed the differentiation topic. Level 2 classwork you have finished. Let us discuss some problems in level 3 today. Open page number 85 and see level 3. Second question, according to schedule, I handle the class. Second question, level 3 today. Two 7 9 11 16 21. Let us see second question. Cos inverse of, if cos inverse of x square minus y square by x square plus y square equal to log a, then what is the value of dy by dx? Cos inverse of x square minus y square by x square plus y square equal to log a, then find dy by dx. Now divide by x square, you can write divide by x square to numerator and denominator also. It becomes cos inverse of 1 minus y by x whole square by 1 plus y by x whole square is equal to log a. That implies, now you try to understand that 1 minus x square by cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is nothing but the formula of 2 tan inverse x. Because put y by x equal to tan theta here, and you can proceed 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta. Cos inverse of cos 2 theta becomes 2 theta. 2 into tan inverse y by x. Directly you can write as 2 into tan inverse y by x equal to log a. 2 tan inverse y by x equal to log a. So tan inverse y by x equal to log a by 2. Tan inverse of y by x equal to log a by 2. That implies y by x equal to tan of log a by 2. Tan of log a by 2. Therefore, y is equal to x into tan of log a by 2. Let this is first equation. Y is equal to x into tan of log a whole by 2. Now differentiating both sides, this one y derivative dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to x. This is tan of log a by 2 simply constant. So that into x derivative 1. You can write directly 1 into this one as tan of log a by 2. Tan of log a by 2. Using 1 you can understand tan of log a by 2 is equal to y by x. From 1. From 1 we can understand that the value is dy by dx is y by x. Here y by x is third option. Now let us discuss 7th question. X is equal to root of 1 minus t square by root of 1 plus t square given. Y is equal to square root of 1 plus t square minus root of 1 minus t square. Whole by root of 1 plus t square plus root of 1 minus t square. Now let us calculate, we have to calculate the value of dy by dx. Let us evaluate using this one. This is given as root 1 minus t square 1 plus t square as x. So divide with the root of 1 plus t square numerator and denominator for y. To divide by root of 1 plus t square to numerator and denominator also. So y is equal to root, this is 1 minus, you can understand this one as root of 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square whole by root of 1 plus root of 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So the d function converted as x function, so y is equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x we got. Now using u by v method you can calculate the derivative. dy by dx is equal to, use the formula u by v as vu dash minus u dash by v square. So 1 plus x into, this is minus 1, vu dash minus of 1 minus x into, this is 1 whole by 1 plus x whole square. Now dy by dx is equal to, this is minus 1 minus x, this is minus 1 plus x whole by 1 plus x whole square. Minus x plus x get cancelled. So you can write as minus 2 by 1 plus x whole square. It is second option. Now an important question is there, that is 9th question. X less than 1, then we have to calculate the value only, he did not give anything, any hint also. So x less than 1, then 1 by 1 plus x plus 2x by 1 plus x square plus 4x cube by 1 plus x power 4 plus so on until infinity. X less than 1, this is the main hint for us. 1 by 1 plus x plus 2x by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x plus 2x by 1 plus x square plus 4x cube by 1 plus x power 4 plus so on. Here one thing you can observe, that the derivative of denominator exists in the numerator. Using this one we can consider the denominator functions. Later we can verify what will happen. Now consider all denominator terms. I am considering 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 4 like this. One plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 4 plus until 1 plus x power n. Let us calculate. One plus x power n. Now whatever the term we have considered, let us multiply and divide with 1 minus x. Multiply and divide with 1 minus x, that is equal to one minus x into 1 plus x, leave a term. Next 1 plus x square into 1 minus x, like this, 1 plus x power 4 so on until 1 plus x power n. Whole by 1 minus x, whole by 1 minus x. That is equal to, now understand this one, 1 minus x into 1 plus x becomes 1 minus x square. Later this is 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square, 1 minus x power 4. Later this can be written 1 minus x power 8 like this. So if you are calculating here x power 1, you are getting x square, so 2. If you are calculating x square, you are getting x power 4, so 2 into 2. If you are calculating x power 4, later we are getting x power 8, so 2 cube like this. So 2 power terms, it is going to be increased. So in the similar way, you can understand this is 1 minus x power 2n, 1 minus x power 2n. So that is equal to, that implies we can write this one 1 plus x. Total answer is equal to 1 minus x power 2n by 1 minus x. Whatever the value we have considered, that value we got as 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 4. So on until 1 plus x power n is equal to 1 minus x power 2n by 1 minus x. Now apply log both sides. Total n terms are there. We know the formula of log a plus log a b c d equal to log a plus log b plus log c plus log d, so on. So log of 1 plus x. Log of 1 plus x plus log of 1 plus x square plus log of 1 plus x power 4 plus so on until log of 1 plus x power n. Maybe he given n tends to infinity. Yeah, until infinity he given n tends to infinity, you can write. This is the formula of log a by b. So log a minus log b concept. Log 1 minus x power 2n minus log of 1 minus x. Log 1 minus x power 2n minus log of 1 minus x. Now we can write diff both sides with respect to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. The derivative of log x is 1 by 1 plus x. Now you observe the question, 1 by 1 plus x. We are getting the answer. This is 1 by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square internal derivative 2x. 2x by 1 plus x square plus this is next 1 plus x power 4 times, so 4x cube by 1 plus x power 4 plus 1. This is n into x power n minus 1 by 1 plus x power n. This is 1 by 1 minus x power 2n, so minus 2n into x power 2n minus 1 whole by 1 minus x power 2n minus 1 by 1 minus x into minus x internal derivative minus 1. So this becomes plus 1 by 1 minus x. Now let us calculate the question according to x less than 1 and n tends to infinity. X less than 1 comma n tends to infinity. X less than 1, simply you can think 0.5 or 0.9 and anything, otherwise minus also you can calculate. Example, x you take minus 1 power large number 1 by minus 1 power large number. So 1 by so large number 1 by infinity. So wherever n you are facing, the n term will becomes as 0. That implies this becomes 0. This becomes 0. So until infinity, you can write here simply the value is 1 minus x. This is 0 plus 1 by 1 minus x. 1 by 1 minus x is right answer, third option. Now let us see 11th question. Eleventh question, x equal to cos theta, y equal to sin phi theta. X equal to cos theta, y is equal to sin phi theta. Then 1 minus x square into y double dash minus x into y dash. Find 1 minus x square into y double dash. Of course, he given d square by dx square minus That is y double dash I had written minus x dy by dx, that is minus xy dash. 1 minus x square meaning sin square theta. Okay, let us calculate according to dy by dx concept. Let us write directly the value of parametric differentiation is dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. dy by d theta by dx by d theta. dy by d theta formula, dy by d theta formula 5 cos 5 theta by dx by d theta formula minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. We need to calculate the value d square by dx square. In yesterday class we have discussed that d square by dx square can be written as d by dx of dy by dx but dy by dx is in the form of theta, so we need to write like this d by d theta of dy by dx, because dy by dx is in the form of d theta form, so dy by d theta d by d theta of dy by dx into d theta by dx. Now d theta get cancelled, but you will be getting the answer like this, d square by dx square. So now you need to calculate here this value, calculate the derivative with respect to theta. That implies d by d theta of minus 5 cos 5 theta by sin theta. Minus 5 cos 5 theta by sin theta into d theta by dx. Originally dx by d theta is minus sin theta, so d theta by dx is reciprocal minus 1 by sin theta. Here minus taken common, we can take common, of course minus into minus plus, you can get cancel this one. Now apply the formula vu dash minus u dash by v square, so that is equal to 5 into vu dash, 5 taken common, vu dash meaning here sin theta into u dash meaning cos 5 theta derivative minus 5 sin 5 theta minus uv dash, so cos 5 theta into sin theta derivative cos theta. By this is sin square theta, because the concept vu dash minus u dash by v square into this is sin theta. We got the derivative of d square by dx square. Now we need to calculate here the value of 1 minus x square y double dash minus xy dash. Now 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx. Here x is the value of cos theta, 1 minus x square means 1 minus cos square theta, it is sin square theta. So that is equal to, we can write this one as sin square theta into multiply with 5. This is already minus 5 is there, so this is minus 25, minus 25 sin theta, sin 5 theta, minus 5 cos 5 theta, cos theta, whole by this is sin square theta into sin theta. Next minus x, so what is the value of x here? Cos theta into dy by dx. Minus cos theta into dy by dx given as 5 cos 5 theta by minus sin theta. Here minus symbol is there, here minus symbol is there, it becomes so plus into 5 cos 5 theta by sin theta. This is cos theta into 5 cos 5 theta, this one 5 cos 5 theta by sin theta. Here sin square theta get cancelled. Now sin theta is the same LCM of this one and this one. Now write like this. This is minus 25 sin 5 theta sin theta, sin 5 theta sin 5 theta. It is wrong. sin theta simply. Minus 25 into sin theta, sin phi theta, minus 5 cos phi theta, cos theta, plus 5 cos phi theta, cos theta, whole by sin theta. Here minus and plus term will be getting cancelled. Of course, sin also get cancelled. Now minus 25 sin phi theta we got. That is equal to minus 25 sin 5 theta we got. The value of sin phi theta is y. Therefore, the total value of this one we got as minus 25y. Minus 25y is fourth option here. Now let us, fourth option is minus 25y. Let us discuss about 16th question. Given the condition is f of x is equal to f dash x equal to g of x and g dash x equal to minus f of x. F dash x equal to g of x comma g dash x is equal to minus f of x. F dash x equal to g of x and g dash x is equal to minus f of x for all x, and f of 2 equal to 4 given f dash 2 is equal to, of course it is also 4. F of 2 equal to 4, f dash of 2 equal to 4. So that means g dash x is equal to minus 4. So let us calculate. He is asking f of 24, f square of 24 and g square of 24. Find f square of 24 plus g square of 24. Now he is asking about square. So let us consider f square x plus g square x. Consider f square x plus g square x. Let us consider this value f square x plus g square x. Now let us calculate the derivative. So d by dx of f square x plus g square x, let us calculate. Now it can be written as 2 into f of x into f dash x plus 2 into g of x into g dash x. 2 into f of x into f dash x plus 2 into g of x into g dash x, that is equal to 2 into f of x into f dash x value given the value of g of x. Now you write as g of x plus 2 into g of x into g dash x value given as minus f of x. So minus symbol you can write this is minus 2gx into f of x. What is happening? This one is get cancelled. So is equal to 0 we got. Whatever function considered, the derivative of the function is became 0. So it is, we can say ultimately the function is constant. So whenever the derivative is 0, the function is constant. So f square x plus g square x, f square x plus g square x is equal to constant. So whatever the value he given for each and every value, not only 24 but also 25, 26, 27, whatever the value he given, simply you can substitute here the value as it is directly. Now f of 2 equal to 4, f dash 2 equal to 4. Of course this meaning here g of 2 is equal to minus 4 because g dash x equal to minus f of x. Now f square of 2 plus g square of 2 is nothing but f square of 24 plus g square of 24. Any value substitute the same value will get because it is constant function. So now it can be written as 4 square plus 4 square. 4 square plus 4 square is 16 plus 16. Answer is 32. 32 is first option. 16th question, first option. In the similar way, in the similar model, another question is there in our level 3. You do the sum, page number 90, question number 80. Page number 90, question number 80. Do the sum using the same model. Now let us see 21st question. Y is equal to m sine of m sine inverse x. Old sums, these are important questions. Y is equal to sine of m sine inverse x. Then some print mistake is there, you correct the mistake. 1 minus x square into d square by dx square. One minus x square into d square by dx square minus x dy by dx plus m square y. Equal to what? Now, using the given equation, let us calculate the derivative 2 times. Diff 1 I am writing. So y dash equal to sine derivative cos m sine inverse x into m by root of 1 minus x square. Now taking cross multiplication, because here m into sine inverse derivative root of 1 by root of 1 minus x square, taking cross multiplication we can get here root of 1 minus x square into y dash is equal to m cos of m sine inverse x. Again differentiating both sides. Here root 1 minus x square into y dash can be understood as uv method, uv dash plus vu dash. So root 1 minus x square into y double dash plus y dash into root x derivative 1 by 2 root x into internal derivative minus 2x. So you should write this one as minus 2x by 2 root 1 minus x square is equal to cos derivative minus sine. So minus m sine of m sine inverse x into internal derivative m by root of 1 minus x square. Internal derivative of sine inverse x. So take 2 get cancelled. Take LCM here, root 1 minus x square to root 1 minus x square becomes 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square y double dash minus 2x y dash whole by root of 1 minus x square is equal to minus m square sine m sine inverse x given as y. Sine m sine inverse x given as y, you can write here minus m square y by root 1 minus x square. Here root 1 minus x square will be getting cancelled. That implies we can understand 1 minus x square into y, instead of y double dash you can write here as d square y by dx square. 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus 2x into dy by dx. Y dash is nothing but dy by dx plus minus taken this side plus m square y is equal to 0. So the question he given full, we got the answer as 0. So 0 is correct option, first option. This question there is a chance to give a numerical also. Now let us calculate 26th question. F of x equal to cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 8x, cos 16x. Already we have learned the formula cos a, cos 2a, cos 4a, cos so on 2 power n a is equal to 1 by 2 power n into sin 2 power n minus sin 2 power n plus 1 into a. So write the formula. This is the formula. Of course, we can create here sum also. Multiply and divide with sin a. 2 sin x cos x becomes sin 2x. So again 2 multiplication. Again 2 like this. The sign process will be going on. So if n is there, let us try to understand, only take one example. If we take 1 here, 2 sin x cos x by sin x. So 2 sin 2x, sin 2 power. If we are taking 1, so sin 2 power. This is n plus 1. Sin 2 power n plus 1 into 8. One term extra. Sin 2 power n plus 1. Example, cos 2x is this. Sin 4x it becomes. So whenever 2 is there, it becomes 2 square. So 2 power n plus 1. One term extra. In the similar way, sin a only, in denominator only sin a exists. Now you can understand f of x is equal to sin how much here? 16. So sin 32 you write here. 1 by 32. This is the f of x. 1 by 32 sin 32x by sin x. Now what he is asking? F dash pi by 4. We need to calculate derivative of this function. This is f of x. Now f dash x is equal to u by v concept, vu dash minus u dash by v square. Sin x into 32 cos 32x minus sin 32x vu dash minus u v dash by v square by sin square x. He asked the value at x equal to pi by 4. Now f dash of pi by 4. 1 by 32 into, apply the sin pi by 4 value here. Sin, we can understand one thing, cos 32x. Okay, let us. Cos sin pi by 4 into 32 into cos 32 into pi by 4 becomes cos 8 pi. Minus sin 32 into pi by 4 becomes sin 8 pi. We have learned plenty of times that sin n pi equal to 0. So this is 0 by sin square pi by 4. Sin square pi by 4 meaning 1 by 2. Sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. Cos 8 pi meaning 1. So this is, of course, 32 get cancelled. Cos 8 pi meaning 1 into sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2 whole by 1 by 2. So this becomes 2 becomes upside. 2 by root 2 becomes as root 2 given. Root 2 we got. Let us verify the option. Root 2 is not there, but he given the value as fourth option, that is cosec pi by 4. Cosec pi by 4. Cosec pi by 4. Next, 28th question. This is nothing but an advanced question. See the question, variety question. Y power infinity equal to log of x plus like this. Twenty-eighth question. Y power so on until infinity is equal to log of x plus log of x plus log of x plus until infinity. To the base e until infinity terms. This is also log of x plus so on. Then we need to calculate dy by dx yet given. Find dy by dx given x equal to e square minus 2 and y equal to root 2. X equal to e square minus 2 and y is equal to root 2. We can observe one thing, that LHS is infinite terms and RHS is also infinite terms. Until yesterday we have learned the class as y square root of, if we given the value y is equal to square root of f of x plus root of f of x, so on, until such model we have learned. But this is different model. This is advanced question. Y power so on infinity. That this is z and this is also z. Let us verify the terms. let y power so on infinity y power so on infinity equal to x. That implies this is x. No. Z you take. Z. This is y power z equal to z. Y power z equal to z because y power infinity equal to z. Apply log both sides. Taking logarithm, we can write z log y. Z log y equal to log z. Now, log y is equal to log z by z. Let it be base c. Log y base equal to log z by z. If we need to calculate this one, only simple y is equal to e power log z by z. E power log z by z. What he is asking, dy by dx. So dy by dx meaning, if we calculate like this, z log y is equal to, let us calculate derivative here only. Diff both sides. Diff I am writing. Log y derivative 1 by y dy by dx. Here we'll get dy by dx 1 by y dy by dx is equal to dy by dz. It is better, not dy by dx. 1 by y dy by dz, let us calculate, is equal to, this is u by v method, vu dash minus uv dash by v square, z into 1 by z minus log z into 1 whole by z square. Z get cancelled, 1 minus log z by z square. That implies dy by dz is equal to y into 1 minus log z by z square. Y into 1 minus log z by z square. So what is the value of y here? Y value is here z power 1 by z. Try to understand here, y is equal to z power 1 by z. Apply here z power 1 by z. This is z square. Z power 1 by z into 1 minus log z whole by z square. If z square taken up into numerator, dy by dz equal to z power 1 by z minus 2 into 1 minus log z. If I said this is first equation, next let us calculate this one. Also, let us write also this one, x is equal to, now taking this term logarithm term. So we thought y. Now we can think this one log x base c, log x base c, that is also z. This is also z. That implies log of x plus z to the base c also z. Now x plus z can be understood as e power z. X plus z is e power z. So x is equal to e power z minus z. X is equal to e power z minus z. Let us calculate one thing, that he given as x is equal to e square minus 2. So z is equal to 2. Put a comma here. Using x is equal to e square minus 2. Using x is equal to e square minus 2, here e power z minus z. So it is nothing but 2. Therefore, z is equal to 2. Z is equal to 2. Now let us calculate dx by dz. This is e power z derivative e power z minus 1. Maybe using y is equal to root 2 also you can calculate here as y is equal to root 2. Here you can apply y power z is equal to like this also. Y power z is equal to z. Y power z means y power root 2 is equal to root 2. This one taken this side, root 2 power 1 by 2. Using, okay, z is equal to, you will get anywhere, no need once. Once we got z is equal to, we got dx by dz is e power z minus 1. Now we have to calculate what he is asking, dy by dx. Dy by dx is nothing but dy by dz by dx by dz. Now, dy by dx is dy by dz by dx by dz. dy by dz by dx by dz. This is dy by dz, z power 1 by 2. So z power, let us calculate one thing using 1 and 2, substitute the value at, substitute the value z is equal to 2, wherever we get the value. So dy by dz is equal to, instead of z, substitute the value here, 2 power 1 by 2 minus 2. Into 1 minus log 2. 2 power 1 by 2 minus 2 into 1 minus log 2 whole by, this is e square minus 1. E square minus 1 according to options, for each and every option he given. So this can be understood as 2 power 1 by 2 minus 2 means 2 power minus 3 by 2. 1 can be written as log e base e minus log 2 base e whole by e square minus 1. So that is equal to 2 power 3 by 2. 2 power minus 3 by 2 can be taken to denominator, you will get 2 power 1 by 2 power 3 by 2. So log e, try to understand this one, log e minus log b concept. Log a minus log b is log a by b. So log e by 2 whole by, this 2 power 3 by 2 can be written as 2 power minus 3 by 2 can be written in the denominator of 2 power 3 by 2. Into e square minus 1. So that is equal to log e by 2 whole by 2 power 3 by 2 given as 2 root 2 into e square minus 1. Log e by 2 by 2 root 2 into e square minus 1 is according to option. First option is correct answer. In this the question given print mistake in last year, 28th question, first option, here it is correct. Now let us discuss about 31st question. Y is equal to x by a plus x by b plus x by a plus, that is an infinite series. X by a plus x by b plus x by a plus, like this, x by a plus x by b plus x by a plus, like this. The series is an infinite series. Until infinity. So x by a plus x by b plus, here it is repeating, x by a plus, here it is repeating. So you can write x, y is equal to x by a plus x by b plus y. Yes, y is equal to x by a plus x by b plus y. X by, take LCM here, ab plus ay plus x whole by b plus y. Taking it in numerator, y is equal to x into b plus y y equal to x into b plus y by ab plus ay plus x. Take cross multiplication to get the value as y and x separately. Now aby plus ay square plus xy equal to bx plus yx. Here xy get cancelled. Take y as subject here. aby is asking dy by dx or dx by dy. Dy by dx. So take y as subject. That implies y taken common. Of course, a also b plus y equal to bx. So y is equal to bx by b plus y. Let us calculate here only. This is better because this is an implicit function. Diff both sides. AB into dy by dx plus a into 2y dy by dx plus dy by dx equal to b. Take dy by dx common. So b by, it becomes ab plus, it is somewhere mistake, ay square only here. This is unnecessarily I am calculating this one. Xy got cancelled. Xy got cancelled. No need here. So ab dy by dx plus a into 2y dy by dx is equal to b. So dy by dx taken common. ab plus 2y. ab plus 2y equal to b. dy by dx equal to b by ab plus 2y. dy by dx equal to b by a taken common. A we can take common. A into 2y plus b. This is 2ay. A taken common. Okay, this is also 2ay. So b by a into b plus 2y. b by a into b plus 2y. Option is second option. Now let us discuss 33rd question. Question number 33. Y equal to tan inverse of one by 1 plus x, 1 by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse of 1 by x square plus 3x plus 3 plus 1 by x tan inverse of 1 by x square plus 5x plus 7 plus so on until n terms. N terms. Find y dash of 0. Let us calculate the value. Y is equal to tan inverse of, this can be written as x plus 1 minus x whole by 1 plus x plus 1 into x. X get cancelled numerator. You can understand here x plus 1 into x is x square plus x. In the similar way, you can understand everywhere tan inverse of. Yes, you can understand this one x square, x taken common x plus 1 into x. This is x square plus 3x plus 2 plus 1, like that you can understand. X square plus 3x plus 2 is nothing but x plus 1 into x plus 2. So 1 by, this can be written as x plus 3, big number minus small number. X plus 3 minus x plus 2 by 1 plus x plus 3 into x plus 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by, in the similar way this is also 1 means here x square plus 5x plus 6 concept. So x plus 3, this is x plus 3 minus x plus 2 here, this is x plus 2 minus x 1 This is x plus 3 minus of x plus 2 by 1 plus x plus 3 into x plus 2 plus 1. At last you can understand it started with x plus 1 meaning natural number 1, so x plus n I am writing x plus n minus of x plus n minus 1 whole by 1 plus x plus n into x plus n minus 1. Now y is equal to, this is of the form tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy, so tan inverse x minus tan inverse y concept. So tan inverse x plus 1 minus tan inverse x plus tan inverse of x plus 2 minus tan inverse of x plus 1 minus tan, like this, plus tan inverse of x plus 3 minus tan inverse of x plus 2 plus so on. At last tan inverse of x plus n minus tan inverse of x plus n minus 1. So each and every term we had written in proper way. So tan inverse, you can understand here first term, if you take two terms, then tan inverse x plus 1 until here. So last term and first term will be remaining. So tan inverse x plus 1 get cancelled like this. Each and every term get cancelled. So what is the last term? Tan inverse of x plus n. So y is equal to, we got as tan inverse of x plus n minus tan inverse x. Now what he is asking, read the question. Y dash of 0 dy by dx. So y dash dy by dx is tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. So 1 by 1 plus x plus n whole square minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Now y dash of 0. So substitute the value 0 instead of x. 1 by 1 plus n square minus 1 by 1. Take LCM. 1 minus 1 minus n square by 1 plus n square. One minus 1 get cancelled. We got the answer as minus n square by 1 plus n square. Minus n square by 1 plus n square. Third question. Yes, minus n square by 1 plus n square is here. Second option. 33rd question. Second option correct answer. Okay students, we have successfully completed some problems. Let us discuss another some problems in next class which are most important in level 3.